Now even more notes are added, and we're going to play the complete C major scale in the second position. In addition to the familiar notes on the A and D strings, there are 3 fretted notes on the G string. The note A on the 2nd fret of the G string with the index finger, the note B on the 4th fret of the G string with the ring finger, the note C on the 5th fret of the G string with the little finger. Here are 2 exercises. Make sure that you keep your fingers on the strings as long as possible. There are even more ties now. To shed some light on all this chaos, let's take a look at which beats in the first 2 bars the notes should be played on. In the first bar, beats 1, 3, 3 and beat 4 and. In the second bar, beat 1 and beat 2. In the C section, in bars 1, 3 and 5, you'll see a small dot underneath the note G. This means that this note should be played shorter than notated. The advantage of this type of notation is that it saves on additional rest characters, and the score looks a little tidier. This playing style is called staccato, and this little point is the staccato dot. The C section begins with a quarter rest on the first beat, so you only begin to play from the second beat onwards.